want to do year-to-date calculation over here, what you can simply do is you can use formulas. So let's say I have my salary data right here. So these are my salaries, for example, and these are my expenses. So we can calculate the savings right here. And to do that, simply press equals right here. As we know from the last lesson, we can easily copy formulas. We can simply press this one right here plus this one right here minus the expenses becomes my savings for that month. And if I were to drag this out, I get savings for each of my months right here. So these are all of the savings right here. And the total savings that I want over here can be calculated just like that. So let's say, for example, over here, this is the saving for my month. So for my first month, the saving is going to be the same. So I'm going to press equals right here and just click on this cell. So now the value that I get here is the value that I get from the cell right here. So if I were to change this out like expense 400, you can see that the saving increases right here. Let's say right around here I get a bonus. So I'm going to say 4,000 right here, and there you go, the value changes right there. So what I want is on February value, I want what I have in this cell plus what I have in this cell. So simply I can use a formula by pressing equals, press this one right here plus this one. So it gets the value on the top and the left. So hence I get 3,600. If I were to drag this out right here, what this does is it brings out a different value, as you can see, because the savings for that month is minus 1,500, as you can see right here. If I were to drag this out, if I were to click here, you can see that it is taking the value from the top and the left, just like that. Similarly, I can simply drag this out over here, and there you go. This is my total savings for the year. So that is how you can do a year-to-date calculation inside of Microsoft Excel. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.